Hi lockpickers, welcome to the next video. Nothing special to see here. I've just got another two cheap ass padlocks. So I thought I'd try and just get them quickly done on camera. There's one. W security. Don't know what that stands for. Wilco's. Wank. Let's just get stuck in on this cheap ass piece of shit and hope that it doesn't kick my ass. Shouldn't do. I have picked this already. And there we go. That's that one. W for wank security. This one's a bit different. I don't know what this is because there's no name on it of any kind, but it's got one of those sunken keyway things. I don't know if I can pop that bit of plastic off actually. Oh, look at that. I can. Let's imagine that it's in situation, though I've got to put the long end of the tension wrench in there to get past that rubber. And we would like this one to open as well, please, in reasonable time, if that's okay. I actually can't remember anything about the sequences on this one. And I suppose it's very easy to get over cocky in some of these situations. I've opened all these already, they're only fucking cheap. I've got them from like a car boot kind of sale. I think £1.50 for both of them. Or 50p each, no, 50 pence each. So, well, you know, they're still worth a bit of fun, a bit of a play. You see this yellow one, this unbranded plasticky thing. I'm not going to rake on camera. I can't see the point. This is not far from off bitch picking what I'm doing now, but I think there's still a little bit more to be said from bitch picking than raking. Oh, happy days. That's another 2 bites the fucking dust. Yellow plastic shit, no name, and W for wank. Security. Nice one. Happy picking, dudes. See you soon.